Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring the foundations are working, VS Code Python 3, 8 or newer, and the Jupyter extension. Open your project folder now and use Command Palette to select Python Interpreter. This binds kernels to your environment. Once done, install Jupyter via pip if missing and create a new IPINB file from the palette. I'll show why each selection matters. Interpreter choice controls packages, and the extension provides a notebook UI inside VS Code. Now configure the kernel so code runs in the right environment. Pick your virtualenv or conda kernel from the kernel picker. You'll see Run Cell buttons appear. Click them or use keyboard shortcuts to execute. Make sure Outputs and Variable Explorer show expected results. That confirms packages and paths match. If you prefer script-style work, use #% to mark cells in Py files and send them to the interactive window. This keeps reproducibility and debugging convenient while staying inside VS Code. To finish, save your workspace settings so the chosen interpreter and notebook UI persist across sessions. Restart the kernel to clear hidden state, then run all cells to ensure reproducibility. If something breaks, first check that the selected interpreter's path points to the environment with Jupyter installed. Mismatched kernels are the most common issue. If problems continue, reinstall the Jupyter extension, view the developer console for errors, and I'll guide you through targeted fixes so your notebooks run reliably.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.